The nature of mathematics is answer logic and reasoning. Next question. Ganita is derived from a Sanskrit word gan, which means answer to count. Mathematical learning is different from the learning of other subject. The reason is answer a sequential subject. Next question. The mathematician who explained the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with a zero is answer Brahmagupta. Next question. The set concept was introduced by the mathematician. Answer George Cantor. Next question. The mathematician who first suggested the formula for the area of a cyclic correlator with A, B, C and D is size as under root of s minus A into s minus B into s minus C into s minus D, where 2s is equal to A plus B plus C plus D is answer Brahmagupta. The mathematician who is known as father of modern mathematics. Answer René Descartes. The mathematician who invented the concept of logarithms is answer John Napier. Next question. Book titled Discourses on Method was written by answer René Descartes. Next question. The set of book titled The Elements was complained by answer Euclid. The Education Commission that wisely remarked that mathematics should be taught on a compulsory basis for the first 10 years of schooling is answer Kothari Commission. Next question. In India, every year National Mathematics Day is celebrated on answer 22nd December. Mathematics quotations. First question. Mathematics is the doorstep and key to all sciences. Answer Bacon. Next question. Mathematics is a game played according to the certain rules with meaningless marks on paper. Answer David Hilbert. Next question. Mathematics is the language with which God wrote the universe. Answer Galileo. Next question. Mathematics is the queen of all sciences. Answer Gauss. Next question. Mathematics is written for mathematician. Answer Copernicus. Next question. God does arithmetic. Answer Gauss. Next question. Mathematics are born not made. Answer Henry Banker. Next question. Arithmetic is the queen of mathematics. Answer Gauss. Next question. Numbers rules the universe. Answer Pythagoras. Numbers was the substances of all things. Answer Pythagoras. Logic is the anatomy of thought. Answer John Locke. Next question. Geometry existed before creation. Answer Plato. If a man's with be wondering, let him study the mathematics. Answer Bacon. Next question. The scientist does not study mathematics because it is useful, but they study because it is beauty. Answer Henry Banker. Next question. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around is number. Answer Shakuntala Devi. Mathematics is the queen of sciences and arithmetic is the queen of all mathematics, was said by Gauss. The following are a few important characteristics of mathematics. Answer structure, prescience, abstractness. Brahmasputa Siddhanta was written by Brahmagupta. Siddhanta Shiromani was written by Bhaskaracharya. The famous Ramanujan number is 1729. who discovered that any odd number, say 2n plus 1, can be expressed as the difference of two squares, that is n plus 1 whole square minus n square. Pythagoras. Mathematics is the only subject that encourages and develops logical thinking. It enables the students to discriminate between essentials and non-essentials, was stated by. Answer, Young. Next question. Who made the rule that a ruler and pair of compasses only should be used for geometric constructions? Answer, Plato. Next question. The discovery of zero was a gift to the world of mathematics. This gift was given by. Answer, Hindus. Next question. One of the outstanding characteristics of scientific culture is quantification. Mathematics therefore assume a prominent position in modern education, was stated by. Answer, Kothari Commission. Next question. The set of books, The Elements, was written by. Answer, Euclid. Next question. Who is the father of modern mathematics? Answer, René Descartes. Author, book. 1. Bertrand Russell. He written Principia Mathematica. Number 2 author, David Hilbert. He written Grundla Gundar Mathematica. Number 3 Euclid. He written Elements. Number 4 René Descartes. He written Discourse of Method. Aryabhatta. He written 2 books, Aryabhattiyam and Aryabhatta Siddhantamu. In Aryabhattiyam have 121 hymns and it can be divided into 4 parts. Number 1 Geetika Padamu. Number 2 Ganita Padamu. Number 3 Kalakriya Padamu. Number 4 Gola Padamu. Bhaskaracharya 1. He written 3 books. 1 Laghu Bhaskariyam. 2 Mahabhaskariyam. 3 Aryabhattiya Bhasyam. Bhaskaracharya 2. He written 2 books. 1 Siddhanta Shiromani. 2 Karana Kutuhalam. In Siddhanta Shiromani have 4 parts. 1 Leelavati Ganitam. 2 Bija Ganitam. 3 Ganita Dhyayamu. 4 Gola Dhyayamu. ఈ లీలావతి గణితమును ఇంగ్లీష్లోకి ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసింది జేమ్స్ టేలర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్. 1956 he established Ramanujan Maths Club. This is AP in East Godavari. Postal stamp on 1962 in the name of Ramanujan. శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ పుట్టినరోజు సందర్భంగా నేషనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డేని జరుపుకుంటాము. దట్ ఈస్ December 22. బ్రహ్మగుప్త. హీ రిటన్ 2 books. బ్రహ్మస్ఫుట సిద్ధాంతం. 2 కందకాజ్యక. మహావీర. హీ రిటన్ గణిత సార సంగ్రహ. దీనిని తెలుగులోకి ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసింది పావులోడి మర్లన్న.